top though. That's why I don't like playing with randoms.
You gonna let the squeaker talk to you like that, bro?
Are you fucking
bro, this nigga's a level 40 and he's a level 99. He's still playing like he's a fucking nerd.
Hey, Squeaker, why you disrespecting your teammate like that?
Oh my god.
What is he still playing for? Like, nigga, he ain't got nothing to lose. Other don't love him. Get that stupid shit out of here, goofball.
Oh, don't start talking shit to me, nigga. You finna get dropped off.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. You level 40 and level 99. Why do you still play this?
So I can drop out bum ass niggas like you, that's why.
Well, that's cool. I need a bankroll. Try you an asshole. Yeah, I know. Now back to the bankroll. No time for game. No time for niggas that be on their funny shit. No time for niggas that talk about niggas and niggas that not on their money shit.
Go take a shower, pussy.
Yeah, I'm finna drop your bum ass off, nigga.
You bitch ass.
You hoe ass nigga. You getting roasted by a squeaker.
You
got roasted by a squeaker.
Virgin still, bitch.
You mad cause you getting dropped off.
Go to college, nigga. Go get a check in the mail every week. Go get a good job, bro. 2K ain't life.
2K is life if you getting paid for it, broke ass nigga.
The fuck up, nigga. You don't get paid for it.
Hey, when I put your bitch ass on YouTube, we gon' see then.
Little dirty ass.
Yeah, lame ass New York ass nigga. Lame ass.
Playing all this 2K, don't know how to take a shot.
Like I said, nigga, when I put your bum ass on YouTube, we gon' see who get the check. It won't be your bitch ass.
I don't give a fuck about.
Stop crying, nigga. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop whining.
I don't give a fuck.
Stop crying.
You dumb goofy son of a bitch.
You goofy son of a bitch. You're crying.
Put me on YouTube. Put me on YouTube.
Oh, look at you, stupid.
Bro, you're losing. You have a donut. You don't have any points.
Scoreboard.
Bro, I have.
Check the stat sheet, nigga. Check the stat sheet, nigga.
Bro, I'm punching and shit.
And you finna walk off with the L. You finna walk off with the L.
Bro, you talking.
Checkerboard wearing ass nigga.
I haven't scored a point.
Dumbass up.
Hey, look, keep blocking it.
Yeah. 4 times in a row.
Hey, look, and you still look.
YouTube, Google.
Yeah, nigga, yeah. Keep blocking it, nigga. And you still going on YouTube.
Nigga, put me on, yo. Tell me your bum ass page.
Hey, my page is this dick green. Now 2K, that's the type of shit I'm talking about. You see me talking shit to this nigga? You ain't gonna let me green up? Come on, B.
See, you look green.
Yeah, nigga. I'm talking big shit, nigga.
Put this on YouTube. You gonna just embarrass it.
Nigga, you getting embarrassed, nigga. Look at your stat sheet.
This is my second build.
I don't give a fuck what build it was, nigga. You let a squeaker talk shit to you. You're garbage. Yeah, nigga, you ain't got shit to say to that squeaker though, do you? Lame ass nigga. You let a fucking 11-year-old talk bad to your bitch ass. You let an 11-year-old talk bad to you.
Anyone can play this video game, jackass.
This is the job, nigga. Putting your ass on YouTube.
YouTube is his job.
Lame ass nigga.
Shut the fuck up. Put that on YouTube.
Hey, yeah, you gonna go on YouTube with 2 points. Wow.
What the hell, bro? I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Oh, look at his boyfriend. Look at his boyfriend trying to help him out.
Hey, like I said, only one of us got roasted by a squeaker. It was you, nigga.
Yo, man, do me a favor and fucking hang yourself.
This nigga let a nigga that don't even pay bills talk shit to him. Imagine. Look at that weak ass spin move. Get that bullshit out of here. Yeah, pass it to the squeaker, nigga. Get bailed out.
You really garbage, boy. You only good because you're a 99.
Nigga, I was good before I hit 99. Bum ass nigga. Better check the highlight tape, nigga.
I hate niggas like you.
Like I said, nigga, check the highlight tape, nigga. Been doing this shit, nigga.
I smack the shit out niggas.
Oh God, nigga, hey, drop an edit in. Drop it. Put a location on it.
I smack the shit out, nigga. I robbed.
Hey, put a low on it. Yeah, you robbed, nigga, cause you can't get a job your damn self, broke ass nigga. That's why you robbed.
Bro, shut the fuck up. You bum ass nigga.
Nigga bragging cause he gotta take from other people. You a broke ass nigga. You broke, nigga. You broke, nigga. Imagine robbing on 2K game. You broke, nigga.
Alright, whatever you
Yeah, and that's whatever I say, lame ass nigga. I rob niggas like you.
Look, Squeaker's laughing at your bitch.
You get your ass shot by niggas like me too, bitch ass nigga.
You just talking, yeah, you just talking out your ass.
But like I said, nigga, you can drop the low, nigga.
Drop the location, I really clap at you.
Yeah, you gonna clap because you can't fight, nigga. Weak ass nigga.
I won't even punch you. I smack the
You
shit
can't
out you.
fight, nigga. You're
I
weak.
put my hands on you. Alright.
Yeah, nigga. Get out my paint with that bullshit.
Fuck up.
Drop the low, nigga.
Nigga, I'm in New York.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's what I thought.
You're in New York? I bet. Where?
Y'all niggas ain't about
Tell me
that
where.
life. Y'all niggas
Tell me
some
where.
pussy, some
Hey, look, Sweeney in New York right now. Pull up. Where you at?
nigga.
Tell me where.
That's some pussy,
Tell me
some
where.
random boys, nigga. Shut the fuck
me
up.
where.
Hey, Sween is from New York. Tell him where you at.
What?
What? Now you can't hear it. Sweeney is from New York, nigga. Tell him where you at.
You said Sweeney. Who the fuck is that? Your boyfriend?
M. Sween is from New York. Drop the low.
Answer the question.
Yeah, thought so. Scary ass nigga. Thought so.
Answer the question.
If I drop it, you ain't coming, so I ain't.
Yeah, you scary, nigga. Subway riding ass nigga.
Dummy.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright.
I ain't gonna do that.
You ain't not
Get off the court, nigga. Just pulled your whole card, nigga. Get off the court.
Yo, my man, put this on.
Yeah, it's going on YouTube. You just bitched up, nigga. Take this L, nigga. You didn't even drop the low, nigga, for a nigga that's where you at. Lame ass, nigga.
You still ain't answer a fucking question.
Yo, y'all niggas is two pussy niggas in real life. Word to mother.
That was over 6'5", bro.
Y'all niggas is
Don't play with me like that.
Hey, Sweeney just pulled your whole card, nigga. Say what's up to YouTube. He in New York right now, and you didn't drop the low, nigga.
Like that, bro. I really bitch your ass. I really bitch your ass.
Ain't no bitches ass niggas. Y'all niggas is pussy, right?
Hey, Sweeney said drop the low, and you didn't drop it. Use a bitch.
Y'all niggas ain't saying shit like that.
Say what's up to YouTube.
That's on the mixtape, yo.